Hello, can you see me? I want to become a professional trader who can sell and buy crypto expertly. But I don't know anything about trading and only have a small amount of money. But now I won't worry anymore because Alpha Impact is here. Unlike other platforms which only allow large investors, Alpha Impact is a place for everyone. With the minimum of $25, you can start your social trading here. Next, you can have a freedom to choose the investment strategy yourself. High risk, high returns, or low risk, stable returns. It's up to you. We, the customer, will never have to share our identity. The top traders will be required to KYC and share the data so we can see their real identity and track their record. We are following a truly top trader on Alpha Impact. Especially, Alpha Impact is non-custodial. The platform do not keep customer funds, so your money is totally safe. There's a token called Impact. You can use Impact to unlock various functions on the platform. Moreover, you can stake the Impact token and use it to pay lower fee when trading. With all of the outstanding points, Alpha Impact is the social trading platform that I love and suitable for the newbies. But hold on! Especially, you can learn to trade on the platform with the academy on it by completing all the educational tasks. Moreover, you can practice to trade with the pretend USDT balance. So, all this thing is what I love about Alpha Impact. You can visit the website, follow Twitter, or join the Telegram for more information. Let's copy trade together on Alpha Impact. Goodbye!